Well, you're here and you're seeing it, right? I mean, this is amazing. Have you seen any other place like this? We host all kinds of events. I mean, from concerts, corporate presentation events, film shoots, everything, anything you can think of. We have had events with 10,000 people. We have events that might be 15,000, 20,000 because they come and go. And I mean, everything. The good thing about this place is that having so much space allows us to do many things. We have 15 pavilions of different sizes. We have smaller pavilions like, for example, 6 bis, which is 2,000 square meters, and Pavilion 8, which is 4,000. Or the pavilions on levels 2 and 3, which are 14,000 square meters. There are also larger pavilions that go up to 20,000 square meters. And then in the event center, we have about 20 rooms of different sizes, 100, 300, and 2 auditoriums. One with a capacity for 390 and the other with a capacity for 718. In the pavilion area, there are around 20 rooms of different sizes, so it's an ideal space to hold any type of event. We have approved caterings and regular caterings that work in-house. What happens when an event comes? And they tell us, hey, I have my catering that I always work with, can I bring them? Well, yes, you can bring them without any problem. We show them our spaces, the access points, the kitchens, the regulations on how things work here, and that's it. There is no problem. Main transportation connections. They arrive at our door. We have the tram at the door, the bus as well, and of course, taxis. And the metro, which is 2 streets down. You can also come by bike, which depending on the type of event, people are coming by bike. And the truth is, it's fun and it's interesting to see how things are changing. The airports are 5 kilometers away and there is a direct road, and the train station is about 15 to 20 minutes away on holidays. I think that at the very least, you should consider the possibility of holding an event here because you can do whatever you want. That is to say, we have large and empty spaces to unleash your creativity and host the event of the year, as well as smaller spaces for holding a meeting. So, since event planners have all kinds of events, I think considering the ability to host any type of event here is a great advantage. I believe that Valencia offers certain things, like when a big event comes to the city, it is a big event in the city. We have the beach, we have the sun, the good weather. In the end, I think we stand out a bit because your event doesn't get lost and it becomes a more unique event when you do it here.